want to learn how to find your phone number on your iPhone? Just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, open settings on your phone and scroll down until you see the phone, messages, and FaceTime icons. For this video, I'll be teaching you 3 ways as to how you can find your phone number on your iPhone. First option is by pressing the phone icon, and here, you'll immediately see your number beside the My Number option. If you're looking for another way to see your phone number, you can go back to settings and press the Messages icon. Under Messages, just press the Send and Receive button, and here, you'll see both your email and your phone number. And for the final way to do this, go back to settings, press FaceTime, and you'll immediately see your phone number here if your FaceTime is connected to your number. And that's how easy it is to find your phone number on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.